How do you think that we can repurpose carbon atoms at scale?
It's being done. We are making small beginnings and we are looking for partners who can take these ideas and run with them. But already there are many entrepreneurs in India who are, say, converting plastic into fuel. It's not high quality fuel, but if the fuel quality were properly addressed and the implications of burning that fuel in terms of air pollution were studied and corrected, I think we'd have a good ecosystem. But what happens in India, a lot of people will collect plastic or urban waste and say we're making a biofuel. That's an unregulated biofuel. When you burn it, you will emit toxins into the air, and those toxins will have their own impact. So you'll have created a new problem. What I always suggest is that when you have an entrepreneur who's doing any unregulated fuel, it should go through an entrepreneur self-check-off, ticking the boxes of, is it safe? Is it good for health? Is it going to enable a true carbon footprint saving? Instead of simply making a pitch to a VC saying, I'm doing this is wow, please come and fund me. Do the due diligence around it so that when the story goes into the world, people acknowledge it not from the pitch, but from the outcome.